Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. ఈరోజు vlog I'm gonna show the travel from Secunderabad to Vijayawada. So ఒక ఫెస్టివల్ కోసం విజయవాడకి see more things. Welcome to the vlog, day 2 of the festival season. So today is a festival and we'll show you more things in the vlog. And here comes the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching guys.